These are my three favorite things about the Echo Frames. Now, number one, they have an incredible feature that allows you to switch between two Bluetooth audio playing sources. I've used this to go between my computer and my phone seamlessly, as well as my Fire TV and my phone, because all you need to do is stop the content on your first source and then start playing the content on your second source in order to have your Echo Frames switch over. The second feature that I think is incredible is the VIP feature. This allows you to select individuals and even specific messaging apps on your phone that you want to get notifications about on your Echo Frames. You'll hear a little sound in your ear and then you can ask what your notifications are. But that will only happen if the message is from someone on your VIP list. Of course, if you don't want to use that feature, you don't have to, but it allows you to receive and make SMS messages. And I find that one of the most useful things today. Now, number three, I have to wear prescription lenses in my glasses, and Amazon actually makes it really easy to get this done through their website. But if you don't need prescription lenses, there are sunglass options as well as blue light blocking options.